Welcome back to our Excel lesson. So today we're going to look at the second part of Microsoft Excel, how the spreadsheet, how to put in the data into the spreadsheet, and how to work with some of the functions that we have on the spreadsheet. So come with me. So we are going to focus on COVID-19 pandemic as our topic or area of concern. So we are going to make those entries to look at how figures work and how the functions work with the figures. So very quickly we have our topic. We are going to look at the areas of concern, that is the region. You can choose to call them regions. So we are going to look at the regions of the country. We can bold it, make a different font size to 12. So regions. So we are going to start by looking at the central, but before that we can also maybe look at other areas, like how many courses have we had, or how many courses have been registered so far. So cases. Then after cases we look at deaths, recoveries. Yes, so those will be our areas of concern. Then you can also make them bold. Cumbria 12, bold. Cumbria 12, bold. Cumbria 12. Yeah, like that. So yes, when you want to stretch or increase the size, you just get that and you drag. So those are going to be your areas. So let's make the entries from the first region, central region. Then we have coast. Then we have eastern. After eastern we have Nairobi. After Nairobi we have northeastern. For northeastern we have Nyanza. After Nyanza we have Rift Valley, and then western. So those are going to be our regions. Now since northeastern extended, we're going to expand our cell or our column for that. So cases that have been reported in these regions, like for the first case, that is central, let's take it to be 230, deaths 3, recoveries 200. We have costs that is on alarming rates 789. We have deaths to 10. We have recoveries of 400. Eastern we have small cases of 100. That's one. We have one death. We have how many recoveries reported? 89. We have Nairobi, which is on a competition rate with coastal towns. We have 700 cases. We have 9 deaths reported. We have quite a impressive number of recoveries of 500. We have Northeastern 90 cases, 0 deaths. We have recoveries of 50. Nyanza, we have 49 cases. We have 1 death. We have recoveries of 28. We have Rift Valley. Not so much affected, so like 38, 0 deaths. We have number of recoveries is 12, and the Western is on the rise as well, so right, that's recoveries of 200. So that will be our data entry for this particular survey. And now we want to look at the total of all this. This is now where our focus for today is. You can choose to have it bold, size 12. Now, how to get the total for the cases, total for deaths, total for the recoveries. Now, in this case, we're going to first of all look at how do we get the total. We have the functions that we need to get right. So when you want to get the total, you use equal sign, sum, then you introduce the brackets, then you make the first entry, that is B, on the column B, row 4, B4, like that. Then use the columns. Then the last entry is on B11, column B, row 11. Then you close the bracket. When you press enter key, you'll have gotten your total or your sum. You can bold it, change that. We will make it different color. And if you want to make now, since we've entered the formula in this cell, if you drag it across to get the totals for all that we've done here, like that. But that is for the lazy students. Let's do another formula here for the deaths. We can use equal sign, sum, in bracket. So we have C4. So we're going to use C4, comma, C5, comma, C6, comma, C7, comma, C8, comma, C9, comma, C10, comma, and C11, which is our last entry. Then you close the bracket. If you look at how these entries are, they are highlighted. If I may zoom again, if you press enter key there, you get 29, just like what we have. So you can enter one after another instead of using, if you look at this part where we have the functions, you'll have equal sign, sum, C4, comma, C5, comma, like that until the last entry. But this is a very long process. If you have like 100 entries or more or plus, you will take a whole day. So it's good to use the columns. This one is 1479. Let's do away with it and get another formula. If we highlight from this section where we have the first entry to where we need the total to be entered and come up here, if you can see, we have AutoSum. If you click there, you'll have 1479. So in that case, we shall have explored all the 3 functions that are necessary for us to get the total or the sum in our Excel. So in our next lesson, I will take you through on how to work with percentages and averages. And thank you for learning from my tutorials. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, click on that notification bell, so anytime I put down the work for you guys, you get notified. Thank you. Continue learning. Stay safe. Remember to have your face masks anytime you go out to the public. Wash your hands with the running water and soap. Sanitize if possible and keep it safe. Avoid crowded places. Goodbye.